Imagine this for a second. What if owning a Tesla was no longer just a dream for the wealthy or the elite, but finally within reach for every middle-class American family? What if you could drive a high-tech, long-range, fully electric car at a price that competes with gas-powered sedans sitting in dealerships right now? Well, friends, that day might have just arrived. Because today, we're talking about Tesla's long-rumored Model 2, a car Elon Musk has been teasing for years, and it's now officially been confirmed at a jaw-dropping price of just $10,797. Yes, you heard that right. Under $11,000 for a brand new Tesla, and the crazy part, this isn't just a stripped-down cheap car. Tesla has packed in some serious technology that could shake the auto industry to its core. So let's break down exactly what the Tesla Model 2 is, why it's making legacy automakers panic, and how this little EV could change transportation forever. The announcement. So let's start with the news that has everybody buzzing. Tesla has officially revealed the Model 2, its most affordable EV yet. Priced at just $10,797, it's set to make electric cars accessible to the masses in a way we've never seen before. Now, for years, Elon Musk has talked about his mission being bigger than just selling luxury EV. The Model S and Model X were proof of concept cars. The Model 3 and Model Y were about mass adoption. But the Model 2, this is the ultimate step, a true people's car. And despite its low price tag, Tesla didn't cut corners where it really matters. The Model 2 will reportedly feature Tesla's new next-gen battery technology designed with ultra-high efficiency. Early reports suggest this compact EV could push well beyond 300 to 400 miles of real-world range, something unheard of at this price point. But that's not all. Musk hinted at manufacturing breakthroughs using Tesla's massive 50,000-ton gigapress machines, the same technology that allowed Tesla to reduce production costs dramatically for the Cybertruck. By building the Model 2 with these advanced castings, Tesla can slash complexity, improve durability, and, most importantly, drive down costs to the point where $10,797 actually becomes possible. So this isn't just another car launch. It's a manufacturing revolution in motion. The comparison and the secret now, let's put this in perspective. Because $10,797 is not just affordable, it's disruptive. Take BYD, China's leading EV company. They've been flooding the market with low-cost electric cars, often priced between $12,000 and $15,000. And while they're impressive in terms of affordability, Tesla is about to undercut them while still offering superior range, build quality, and access to the world's most advanced charging network, superchargers. Now think about companies like Hyundai, Toyota, and even Apple. Apple's rumored EV project has been stuck in development for years with whispers of a $40,000, $50,000 price tag. Meanwhile, Tesla just pulled the rug out from under them with a car that costs 4 to 5 times less. But here's the kicker, the thing Musk didn't make a huge deal about in the official announcement. Behind the scenes, Tesla isn't just making a smaller car. They're rethinking the very foundation of how cars are built. By combining structural battery packs, gigacasting, and simplified assembly lines, Tesla is quietly making sure no other automaker can match their margins at this price point. That means while other companies struggle to sell EV at a loss, Tesla could actually make money while offering the cheapest EV on the planet. And that, my friends, is how you dominate a market. Impact and future. So what does this mean for the future? Well, let's zoom out. The Tesla Model 2 isn't just another car, it's a statement. It's Musk saying, EV are not just for the wealthy, not just for enthusiasts. They are for everyone. At a price under $11,000, suddenly college students, first-time car buyers, families on a budget, and millions of middle-class households can consider going electric without thinking twice. And that's where the real disruption happens. Because this isn't just about the car industry. Think about the ripple effects. Gasoline demand, It's going to take a massive hit when EV like this hit scale. Charging infrastructure. With millions of new Tesla owners plugging into the supercharger network, Tesla's already massive lead in charging dominance will only grow. And even beyond cars, this move ties directly into Musk's broader vision of sustainable energy. Solar, battery storage, and EV all working together in one ecosystem. And if you think this is just about cars, think again. Because Musk has hinted before that the Model 2 could also be the backbone of Tesla's future autonomous ride-hailing fleet. Imagine summoning a driverless Tesla for cheaper than Uber, powered by the very same $797 car. That's not just disruption. That's an entire industry flipped upside down. And according to Musk's Master Plan Part 3, the goal is clear: 20 million Teslas on the road every single year within the next decade. If even half of those are Model 2s, we're talking about a world where Tesla becomes the default carmaker for everyday people, not just tech fans or EV lovers. Finally, so here's the big question. Is this the moment that changes everything? Is the $797 Tesla Model 2 truly the game changer that puts the final nail in the coffin for gas-powered cars? Elon Musk believes it is. Investors are already bracing for impact, and rival automakers. Let's just say they probably didn't sleep well after this announcement, but I want to hear from you. Would you buy a Tesla Model 2 at this price? Do you think this is the car that will finally make EV mainstream in America and beyond? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading and replying. And as always, if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into Tesla, EVs, and the future of tech. Because one thing's for sure, the world will never look at affordable cars the same way again.